This stadium was falling behind modern sports standards.
Poor design was costing the stadium loyal fans.
Time had clearly taken its toll on the stadium.
This football stadium was struggling with heat, age, and fan discomfort.
The football stadium design no longer met modern sports standards.
Structural aging made renovation unavoidable for the football stadium. Modern expectations demanded a complete football stadium upgrade.
Facilities inside the football stadium were no longer competitive.
A bold private investment would reshape the football stadium.
This football stadium renovation was a massive financial gamble. Every dollar aimed to future-proof the football stadium.
Private funding changed the future of this football stadium.
The investment redefined what a football stadium could be.
Two worlds operated simultaneously inside the football stadium.
Every hour mattered at this football stadium.
The football stadium stayed open while construction continued. Construction zones shifted across the football stadium.
This football stadium renovation rewrote construction norms.
Safety decisions shaped the football stadium's future.
Every flaw inside the football stadium was documented.
The football stadium passed its toughest test.
The football stadium structure was carefully analyzed.
Strength tests determined what the football stadium could support.
Design transformed the football stadium into a modern icon.
The football stadium embraced openness and airflow.
Aesthetic beauty became part of the football stadium. The football stadium was visually reborn.
The football stadium was built to survive hurricanes.
Weather directly affected comfort inside the football stadium.
Science guided the football stadium renovation.
The football stadium faced extreme heat every season.
Nature defined how the football stadium evolved.
The football stadium roof faced extreme stress tests.
Fans finally felt comfort inside the football stadium.
Precision was critical for the football stadium roof.
The Canopy changed the football stadium experience.
The football stadium finally had its crown.
Balance was everything in the football stadium.
No columns blocked views in the football stadium.
Span length pushed football stadium limits.
Strength stayed unseen in the football stadium.
Engineering disappeared inside the football stadium.
Teamwork built the football stadium.
Thousands of tons fed the football stadium. Durability was key for the football stadium.
Steel shaped the football stadium identity.
Every lift mattered for the football stadium.
Comfort became the heart of the football stadium.
Everyone belonged in the football stadium.
Luxury met fans inside the football stadium.
Cooling redesigned the football stadium experience.
Fans controlled their football stadium experience. Phases controlled the football stadium renovation.
Time pressure shaped the football stadium.
Timing protected football stadium operations. Timing protected football stadium operations.
The football stadium vision came together.
Progress never stopped in the football stadium.
Nothing was left to chance in the football stadium.
Strength became the football stadium foundation.
Movement control protected the football stadium.
Data drove football stadium safety decisions.
Safety future-proofed the football stadium.
Efficiency powered the football stadium.
Clean tech entered the football stadium. Sustainability defined the football stadium future.
Clean tech entered the football stadium.
The football stadium became an icon.
The football stadium targeted global events.
The football stadium earned worldwide status. Lighting transformed the football stadium.
The football stadium welcomed the world.
Critics questioned the football stadium gamble.
Time threatened the football stadium vision.
Public eyes stayed on the football stadium. Public eyes stayed on the football stadium.
Results silenced football stadium doubts. The football stadium set a new benchmark.
Memories were created inside the football stadium.
One football stadium changed the game.